what skill do you think is essential for someone who is new to the field of data analytics?
I'd say there's like a big three if you're trying to be, let's say, an entry-level analyst. There's hard skills in terms of like SQL, Excel, a BI tool, Power BI or Tableau. Then there's data storytelling / dashboard design. I say slide deck presentations and then problem solving. So I call it the big six. That will have you pretty much cover and good to go. I've learned that when it comes down to being an analytics professional, a lot of people, they're really good at just like getting in the data and analyzing, but your work is attached to the strategy of a business, and you really need to know how to condense your analysis to some sort of recommendation or anything. I think that's where a lot of people are falling short, that and really connecting to like the business problem to make sure your analysis connects there. So you got the hard skills, but the problem solving component, I think, is something that is really can really set you apart, especially if you know how to speak to it very well. I studied process improvement in undergrad, so I would always talk about like DMAIC, finding a problem, and project charters and things like that to really emphasize my problem solving abilities as like a way to kind of differentiate yourself over someone else who just says that they just know SQL and Excel all the time.